Hi, welcome to the software with Remit Anywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to create a transaction from payment method EMT, email money transfer. So let's get started. We'll go to send money. Create new transaction, sending to. You can select your beneficiary here. Beneficiary's detail is coming here. You can add it if you want. Delivery method is showing here. Cash pickup. So pay with, I'm gonna pay with EMT, email money transfer, e-transfer, just like that. Enter amount. You can also add your coupon code if you have one. Canadian amount is, and then enter. Okay, it says amount entered exceeds weekly limit. Okay, we're gonna try some other amount. Let's try that one. Yeah, it works. Okay, so our fee is nothing, discount, and the beneficiary amount is 15,000. Payable, total payable $150. Okay. Purpose of and source of funds. Purpose of transaction, you have to select which one you want. Source of funds, I selected business here, or you can select gift. Transaction scheduled, you can schedule your transaction, and I selected process today and then next. So the data we just entered, it shows here. You can review beneficiaries information, delivery information, payment method is email money transfer. Also the amount you can review. Check here to confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. You can check here and submit the transaction. So that's about it. Remittance has been completed, transaction successful, and now here we have the reference number, pickup code, transaction date shows here, payment method is email money transfer, remittance amount is here. So we have the whole information here. Also, what you can do, you have two options: print receipt and print this confirmation for your record if you want to keep it. So you can print receipt, and click here and print your own receipt, and you have the whole information here. Beneficiary information, delivery method, payment method. Also you can print it. Also you can go to print this confirmation if you just want to keep it for your record. Transaction successful. This is the reference number here, and all the date and payment method, remittance amount, everything shows here, so you can keep it. So that's about it. This is how simple it is to create a transaction by using payment method EMT. So thank you for watching.